Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create recurring tasks on monday.com. So let's start. First, open your monday.com account, and here, go to your workspace. In this page, click on this automate option, and here, create a custom automation by clicking on this button. Now, start by selecting this every time period trigger, and here, you can set the automation to daily, weekly, or monthly. For this example, I will choose weekly. Below, you can set if you want the recurring task to every 1, 2, 3, or more weeks. Also, you can set the time. For this example, I will set it every 2 weeks on Monday at 7 a.m. After that, you can choose the action. Since you want to duplicate recurring tasks, select this duplicate group option. Here, select the group that you want to duplicate. After that, you can add another automated action by clicking this plus icon. And for example, you will notify someone when the duplication is done. After that, click this button to create the automation. Now, you can save time when creating the same item or duplicating a group every week or month with this automation. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to create recurring tasks on monday.com, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.